Hey guys, welcome to another episode of my channel. So today we are going to talk about maybe the best Linux terminal application that you can find around, and that is Tilix. And this thing, it's so powerful that you cannot believe it. So let me show you a few things that it can do. So if I press on right click, I can add a vertical window. If I press it again, I can add a horizontal window. I can remove them or deal with them any way I like. So press this option and let me show you something interesting. You can find some text within your terminal window with this command. You can turn it read only and let's go to assistant. In here it's very interesting thing. We can deal with passwords and bookmarks, and first we are going to deal with passwords. So I'm going to add few passwords. I'm going to add password for my administrative privileges, and I'm going to add one that I'm using for SSH. Alright, so I have my two passwords, and now let me show you how to create bookmark. Go to bookmarks, add bookmarks, and you can add multiple kinds of bookmarks. You can add folder, path, remote, and command. And I'm going to add the path to my local storage on my local network. So it's storehouse on this IP address, and I'm going to name it storehouse. Alright, I'm going to add one more, let's say, and that is going to be, let it be my home directory. I'm going to call it home. Okay, and I'm going to add one more thing as a bookmark. It's going to be remote connection, so remote location. I'm using it with SSH. Let's call it SSH. It's on 192.168.0.201, and this can actually be used for multiple things. I can SSH, SFTP, Telnet, or FTP. So I'm using SSH, and the name of user is KST. Alright, so I'm going to press on OK. Now let me show you how to use those things. Go to profile, go to edit profile, and one important thing to know, it's go to shortcuts. In here look for insert password. This is not default, this is something that I already changed, and I set this command to be Ctrl+1. You can set it to be anything that you like. So, and one more, select bookmark with Shift Ctrl B. This is default value. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to press Ctrl Shift B, and I'm going to get this option, storehouse, home, and SSH, and I want to navigate to my directory on local network. So storehouse, you see, I can ls it. Alright, it works, so clear, and I'm going to press Ctrl Shift B once again to get to my home directory. Now, how to use password? For example, I'm going to use command sudo dnf search for example, VLC, and of course I have to provide my sudo password. I'm going to press Ctrl+1 for it, and I'm going to select sudo, and I'm going to press enter. You see, it works perfectly. So this is very handy, especially if you are worried that somebody is going to see your password while you are typing it in. So I'm going to clear this, and I'm going to press Ctrl Shift B once again. I'm going to navigate to my SSH connection. Now Ctrl+1, and I'm going to select SSH. And I'm in. You see how fast it is. Now, in regards of visuals, there are tons of different options. Let me show you some of them. Go to profile, go to edit profile. In here you have some global options. In regards of appearances, this is not too much. You can find in here some options, although interesting, but not much. So if you want to delete bookmark, you cannot use it, you cannot do it from these options. You have to go into preferences, and in here we can remove all of those. Passwords you are going to remove easily from this option. I'm going to show you in a minute. So of course you know about shortcuts and coding. If you don't know exactly what you are doing, don't mess with these options. Now advanced, you can create custom links in here. And now if you really want to take control over visuals, go to profiles and select this default profile. You can have many profiles, but it's not necessary. And in here you can see a ton of different options, and most of those you are never going to use. Maybe something like this. You can select custom font with this command. I'm not going to do it. And if you want to deal with visuals, go to colors. In here you can change color profile. There are many color profiles, as you can see. I'm going to get back to some of these. Let's say this one looks nice. And if you want to change transparency, you can do it in this way. And if you want to set some of colors by yourself, go to this command, select custom, and in here let's say I want to change background color to, let's say, yellow. This is more like orange. Going to select it. Oh, it's ugly. Okay, I'm going to change it to Monokai Dark. This is much better. And finally, I'm going to show you one more thing. Go to this option, go to Assistant and go to Passwords. And as you can see, password can be deleted from this window directly. It's not like with bookmarks. So guys, that's all for this episode. I hope that you learned something new and interesting. So please like, subscribe, and see ya!